Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for poodles that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dry Dog Food. We found that Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Wet Dog Food paste with turkey and oatmeal is a great choice for dog owners, especially those with poodles that might have sensitive stomachs. This food is packed with high-quality turkey, which helps dogs stay strong and lean. Adding oatmeal to the food is good for digestion, making it easier on delicate stomachs that many of our pets have. When we switched to this formula, we saw our dogs' coats get shinier and their digestion get better pretty quickly. It's full of important nutrients like omega fatty acids from sunflower and fish oils, which help keep skin healthy and joints moving well. That's really important for active breeds like poodles. Plus, it doesn't have wheat, soy, or any artificial colors or flavors, so we know it's good for our pets' sensitive needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nutrish Rachael Ray Dish Beef and Brown Rice Recipe. We've taken a close look at Rachael Ray Nutrish Dish Premium Dry Dog Food, specifically the beef and brown rice recipe with veggies, fruit, and chicken, and we're impressed by what it offers for dog owners seeking quality nutrition for their furry friends. This product stands out due to its commitment to using real U.S. farm-raised beef as the #1 ingredient, ensuring dogs get high-quality protein that's essential for their muscle development and energy levels. The absence of poultry byproduct meals, fillers, artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors is a significant plus, making it a safer choice for our canine companions. Delving deeper into its composition reveals a thoughtful blend of natural ingredients like slow-roasted chicken, carrots, peas, and apples, which not only contribute to the nutritional value, but also make each bite flavorful. For poodle owners concerned about allergies or sensitivities common in this breed, the lack of corn, wheat, or soy is reassuring. At number 3, we have the ZIWI Peak Steam and Dry Dog Food. ZIWI Peak Steam and Dry Dog Food, featuring grass-fed lamb with green vegetables, stands out as a top-tier nourishment option tailored for dogs at every stage of life. This food takes the well-being of your poodle into account by combining high-quality ingredients sourced from New Zealand's lush pastures. The unique Z Micro Steam trademark technology used in its preparation locks in nutrients and flavor through a gentle steam and air drying process, making it more palatable and digestible compared to traditional kibble. What sets this dog food apart is not just its meticulous preparation method, but also its commitment to using ethically raised lamb free from artificial hormones, providing an 85% meat content that mirrors a dog's natural diet. This recipe's inclusion of vitamin-rich spinach, kale, and beet greens alongside chicory root introduces essential fiber and prebiotics aiding digestion, vital for poodles known for their sensitive stomachs. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Fish and Brown Rice Adult Dry Dog Food. We recently decided to switch our poodle's diet and, after thorough research, settled on Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Adult Dry Dog Food. What grabbed our attention was the emphasis on natural ingredients, with real whitefish as the first ingredient, ensuring that our dog gets high-quality protein to build and maintain strong muscles. It's not just about muscle health. This dog food is free from chicken byproduct meals and common allergens like corn, wheat, and soy, making it an excellent choice for owners who prioritize a wholesome diet for their pets. The unique addition of Blue's exclusive antioxidant-rich life source bits in the formula promises immune system support, which is essential for keeping our furry friends healthy as they age. These small but powerful bits are designed to meet life stage requirements while maintaining a healthy oxidative balance. The difference in our poodle's energy levels and coat health was noticeable within weeks of transitioning to Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nutro Natural Choice Dry Dog Food. Nutro Natural Choice Adult Dry Dog Food stands out with its chicken and brown rice recipe, specially crafted to meet the needs of dogs like poodles. The inclusion of real chicken as the #1 ingredient ensures your dog gets a high-quality protein source that's essential for muscle development and energy. This dry dog food goes beyond simply filling your pet's stomach. It's designed to support their overall well-being. With omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, it promotes healthy skin and a shiny coat, making it an excellent choice for owners concerned about their poodle's appearance. Further enhancing your dog's health, this kibble packs a potent mix of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, supporting robust immune function. It also aids in digestion through its natural fiber content, ensuring your pet maintains a healthy gut. Each bag is a product of careful sourcing from trusted farmers and suppliers, emphasizing Nutro's commitment to quality ingredients without relying on artificial additives or fillers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.